Have you ever had crawfish étouffée? This recipe is easy, affordable, and perfect for Mardi Gras. And I'm gonna show you how to make it. First things first, get some rice cooking. Melt your butter, and then you gotta make sure it's all coated in the butter. Salt. So that was 1.5 cups. Rice, 3 cups of water. Don't be stirring the rice at this point. We're gonna give it one more stir when it comes to a boil. That's it. How else will it get fluffy? While that happens, I'll melt some butter in a skillet and add in the onion. I'm gonna cook this until it's nice and transparent. This is the perfect dish to make if you are doing anything for Mardi Gras. It just, it's easy, it can feed a lot of people, it doesn't cost a lot of money. A little bit of crawfish goes a long way, especially in this dish. This is the one you're gonna wanna break out this year. Once the onions are translucent, I'm going in with the garlic. Now I'm gonna stir in a flour and a little bit of tomato sauce. This is making somewhat of a roux. I'll add in a little bit of water. If you're lucky enough to live in the land of the crawfish, you can get your own crawfish tails straight, fresh out of the shell. But if not, you can still make this. You can find crawfish tails. They're pretty readily available at most grocery stores. You can usually find them frozen near the seafood, and these are just perfect. I love getting ones that are from Louisiana. We're gonna let this cook just for about 5 to 10 minutes. You want those crawfish tails to be cooked, but not too tough. Season it up with a little bit of salt, pepper, and you gotta have some Cajun seasoning. Stir in our green onion, yum-o. It does not get any easier than this, y'all. Look. It is thick, it is rich, creamy. At this point, you're only cooking it for another 5 minutes or so. You don't want to overcook the crawfish. Another thing to note is if you don't have crawfish, you can't find it, you don't like it, whatever, you can make this exact same recipe with shrimp instead. Simple as that. Our rice is done. Let's marry these things together and let the good times roll. I like to serve it over the rice. You could serve rice on top. This way I think you get a little perfect bite in every bite. If you've never had this, now is the time to try it, and this is the recipe to do it with. It's perfect. Now let the good times roll.